Imagine if you can earn money from 50 cents up to $4 over and over again. Then, you can create a stream of passive income without actually doing anything. Well, this internet tip that I will share with you will allow you to do that. In fact, you can set this up within 5 minutes and you can already start your online money making journey. Stay focused on the video and you will surely have the best chances of earning money online. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Let us now proceed with the video. To start, I will tell you how you can use the site called CPALead.com. This website is absolutely amazing because it will compensate you every single day. A lot of big companies tap their services too. Aside from that, you don't need to sell or promote anything to earn from this. In this site, you can get fast and simple leads for free. From that, you can earn a lot of money online. To do this, come here and click the sign up button. Then, you can choose to sign up with your Facebook account or Google account. Look at this. It says that they will pay you a minimum of $1 every day. We will increase that into hundreds of dollars. So, stay tuned on this video. The site will also give you an option to cash out your earnings daily or weekly. As a background, CPA means cost per acquisition or cost per action, meaning you will earn money whenever someone completes an action like signing up to something or providing their email address. There is a list of stuff that you can do on this site, but do not get overwhelmed because we will make it nice and easy for you. I will teach you how you can make passive income from this. Once you have signed up already, you will get redirected to your dashboard. On this page, you will be able to see the sales that you have made. Since you are new on this platform, it will reflect nothing. The page will also show you a lot of other stuff like your offers and statistics. There are also options such as creating landing pages. What we will focus on this video is this filter right here. Press this and it will show you the list of countries that you can use to do this. Again, this is available worldwide so everyone can use this site. There are also other filters such as offer type, devices, and advertisers. You can leave their settings the same, just like this one. Now, I will tell you the best offers that you can take from this site. Try to scroll down on the page and you will see various offers on this site. You will also see the amount that they will pay you for each offer. Again, cost per acquisition or cost per action does not require any purchases. The companies on this site are only trying to make people sign up so that they can make money from them. As you can see, there is a lot of stuff in here such as quizzes about Netflix, dinosaurs, and cartoons. Unfortunately, we are not looking for these things. Instead, we will focus on gift cards. Scroll down and you will see the gift cards from restaurants and other types of stores. Currently, this stuff is available in the US. However, you can change the filter to choose a specific country. For this video, let us stick with the US. Now, Scroll down and you will see that this one will allow you to earn this amount of money every time that you encourage someone to sign up. See how easy it is to get your link? Just click this and you will see your affiliate link here. Now, you will share this so that someone will click on it. Once they sign up, you will earn from it. See, it is really easy and highly profitable. Once you see your affiliate link, copy the link. We will share this link to other people so when they complete the offer, you can get compensated. Now, we are going to get free traffic for this link by coming over to the site called tryinteract.com. It is a really good way to earn money online. I will show you how I make money from this. The following steps are extremely crucial, so please pay close attention to this. Once you are on this page, there is no need to sign up. Instead, you should come to this place and click on to create your free quiz. If people click on this link and follow the given instructions, you will earn $1.16. Imagine if a lot of people click on the said link. You can earn a huge amount of money from that. Now, you can also get a preview of your quiz by clicking the Preview Quiz button. It will show you the quiz that you have created, and when you answer the correct one, you will get a green light. Once they are done, a congratulations prompt will appear. Once they press the click here to enter button, they will be redirected to that offer that you get from CPA Lead. Then, they just need to sign up for you to get paid. To promote your quiz, you can share your link on Facebook. You just need to enter into various Facebook groups such as Sweepstakes Facebook group. As a sample, look for Sweepstakes on Facebook. There are a lot of Facebook groups about sweepstakes. Just join all of them. Imagine the amount of members that they have. You will earn tons of money from these groups. Do not worry because you will not get banned from these groups. They are really designed for this kind of offer. You can advertise your link by giving it a caption like, "How would you like to make $100 or more for free?" Just click the link below and follow the given instructions to win a big amount of money. Now, when people look and click the link that you have posted, you will get a chance to earn some real money online. It is a really easy way to earn money online. So what are you waiting for? Try it now! This is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.